Hello guys, it's fall time. It's time to harvest some rot root. We're at the rot root trail. We're gonna head back there, and we're gonna there was a big wind in the summer and trees got knocked over on the trail. I'll cut the way in, and then I'm gonna harvest some rot root and make juniper and rot root energy drink. It's good for diabetic and energy. But yep, in this video you'll see me gathering rot root and cutting with the chainsaw the way in. Get some footage, and sorry about the name change on my channel. Just trying to figure out a short name so you don't have to spell my name long. So keep my channel name short. I think I got it now, just learning settings. Yep, sorry for the name change. Please subscribe to Outdoors with Mike, and stay tuned. We'll go pick rot root and we'll mix it with juniper and make energy drink, and good for diabetic. Clean your blood system. All right, thank you. My dad Willie's remedy. Probably not his. Probably from before. Okay. There's my quad. If you can see it, right there. I got my chainsaw. I got my boots and my gear. Yep. We're gonna head down the trail. Okay. We made it to Rot Root Trail. We're gonna Rot Root Trail's right here. In my first video, you can see the road coming in. There's a lot of trees broken. I thank my brother Chris Akinya. Thank you, Chris, for cutting the trail in. I know how hard it was. It was a lot of work. And yeah, thank you, Chris. And I'm gonna walk in here, and right here is a little slough. We'll pick rot root there. A little small. Right there. Good. Good enough. Alrighty, we need a plastic bag and we need a knife. Let's go get some rot root, folks. Come with me. Here's the slough. Right there's the quad right over there. Behind those bushes is the quad. Right here's the rod route trail. The rod route. Yeah. Come this way. Deep. Come with some in the water. Root trail. I got 35% battery. Here's the rod root, lots right here. These kind of plants. The one sticks out. You see it? The one sticks out, like these ones here. That down there. Yeah, we'll get started here. Here's the rot root. We'll get started. We made it to a rat root trail picking area. We'll pick some rat root now. Okay, we're gonna pick right in here. Got a feel for them. Follow down along the root. Oh, there we go. It's best to cold the water. It's best to pick like when the water's warm. Bitter. Always put tobacco down when you take from the land, you put it, moose or whatever you take from the land, you put cigarette. And stress medicine like this, energy medicine, rat root, you put cigarette down so your medicine will be good. It will be strong for you. Here's the type of rat root I'll show you. See right there? Rat root. Good. We're getting some right in here. Okay. My daughter got sore throat. Gotta come and get a medicine for them. Probably pick a bag, one bag. Oh, I got a long one there. Okay folks, so I'll continue to pick this. I'll show you my bag when I'm done, and keep the video short, and I'm gonna continue picking here. All right, we'll try to keep it up here for you. Yeah, I'll be doing that. That's what I'll be doing. We're back at the quad. Here's the rat root. Get it cleaned up. You gotta clean them up and dry them. Here's a good one. Rat root. And that's where the slough is, this right behind here. Yeah, we got our cigarette. We'll put it down for offering. Thank you for this medicine, Creator. May it be strong and help whoever is sick. Yeah, that's good medicine there. Rat root energy drink. We got it from the slough back here. The slough back here, folks. It's the trail out. Hello folks, we're cleaning the rat root now. Here's the rat root. We got some clean, and here are the dirty ones. So get them clean. We're cleaning them now. See right here, come, I'll show you. We're trying to get all the roots off. There's a clean one. We'll put it in the bowl. Look at me. Yeah. So you know, there's a bowl. We're gonna clean them like that, and you can put like you tie string on here, and you tie a string on here, and you put it around a stick. It'll hang there, dry, just like you're drying moose meat or whatever. You just put a string, you hang them. We'll get this cleaned up and we'll mix it with juniper, and we'll make juniper diabetic medicine and energy drink. It'll clean your bed and it'll just give you energy and makes you feel better. Okay, get it. Continue. thank you folks for watching. That concludes our video on harvesting rat root. And I'm gonna put a cigarette down for offering. Always put cigarette after you pick medicine. Rat root energy drink medicine. Alright, please subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos, educational, and hope this video was educational. Thank you, and please subscribe if you like. Yeah, right there's the view. Okay, have a good day. Thank you. Bye for now.